Hi, as you might imagine, I'm absolutely loving this new drone, and for its first official observation, it needed to be a Himawari observation. For those wondering what that is, it's where I download images from the Himawari 8 satellite and then compare them with the corresponding photographs or video of the sky from my home in Australia, which is within the field of view of the Himawari 8 satellite. Alright, let's get into the first one. The 13th of September at 12 p.m. My location is the red dot. We can see small scattered cloud from our northeast through the northwest and around to the southwest, and it's completely clear out to the southeast. I'm going to pan the drone around from the east a full 360 degrees. Let's get the drone into position. Add a zoomed image of the 12 p.m. Himawari image for the comparison and pan around. I enjoy doing these observations because they show in real time that satellite images match perfectly with the local weather. Flat earthers used to say that satellite images are nothing but pure CGI creations using weather forecasts. They don't say that anymore. And if you notice, as the view goes to the south here, there is absolutely no cloud, just like in the satellite image. It's incredible how easily these match. Alright, the next one. The 13th of September at 4 p.m. The same day as the last observation, but for this one, I went to the park to stretch the drone's wings, so to speak. This one we start towards the northwest and add the satellite image and begin the pan. With these observations, it's usually only cloud types and patterns we see. Individual clouds are either too small or too large and mixed in with other clouds. But sometimes we get just the right conditions for individual clouds, which is medium-sized clouds with nothing around them. See those few clouds there to the south? They're perfect. At the end of the video, I've photographed them while they're almost overhead. It's a beautiful comparison. Even though with this observation there is no cloud here to the east, it still matches with the satellite image. The latest argument that the flat ones use is that the satellite images are real, but they're just not taken by a satellite. It's either Doppler radar or a network of drones and weather balloons, and then those images are then wrapped around a ball. But for anyone who even has a little bit of knowledge about rendering enormous photorealistic images knows that producing such an image in around 10 to 20 minutes is just laughable. I created a small sequence in Blender and it took my decent computer almost 5 hours to render it into a saved file. Okay, the next one is the 12th of September at 2:50 p.m. Now, most of the time the observations aren't as obvious and they're like this. They still match, but they're not as fun. But I'm showing you this one because sometimes we get some really cool and noticeable holes or gaps in the clouds, like this. Check this out. It's like a giant diamond in the sky. It's beautiful the way this one matches. It even has the small bit of cloud inside the diamond shape. Okay, the final observation for this video, the 9th of September at 4:50 p.m, the same day as the park. Here's just a little reminder of what these satellite images look like when zoomed out. So, while I was walking in my front door after flying the drone in the park, I noticed these two clouds which were perfect for a comparison. Medium-sized clouds with nothing around them. These are actually the clouds we saw approaching from the south during the park flight. Anyway, when we compare these to the corresponding Himawari image, the matchup is fantastic. We can see the shape and structure of the individual clouds. This is one of the best matches I've seen for a while. This cloud to the southeast, we can see the curled section here and the entire shape of the cloud. The cloud to the north is cool too. We can see the spine of the cloud and the gaps next to it. These are definitely the clouds imaged by the Himawari 8 satellite, which shows us what we already know, is that satellites are real, space is real, the Earth is a globe, flat earthers are psychotic, moronic lunatics who need professional help and should be treated accordingly. As always, thanks heaps for watching, take care, and live long and prosper. See ya.